Sorry, liquid glass haters, because the upcoming macOS 27 won't be getting rid of Apple's latest design either. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The Macbook maker is introducing a slight redesign to liquid glass with the next macOS. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, one of the top user complaints about liquid glass was poor text readability and inconsistent looks between apps. Gurman explained that liquid glass hasn't seen a smooth transition onto the larger displays we see on desktops or laptops. According to Gurman, that's due to liquid glass was created with OLED technology in mind, while most Macs still run on LCD panels. To address these issues, Gurman said Apple will target the weird shadows and transparency quirks of liquid glass with macOS 27. On the hardware side, the liquid glass interface could look a lot better on the expected OLED touchscreen MacBook that could arrive as soon as this year. These upcoming liquid glass tweaks on macOS are supposed to represent how the Apple design team wanted it to look from the start. Gurman blames this issue on Apple's software engineering team, who delivered a not completely baked implementation. However, it's not the first time Apple made changes to liquid glass. Since iOS 26.1, iPad 26.1, and macOS 26.1 added an option to frost the interface for more opacity and contrast. The liquid glass tweaks aren't the only thing coming with the next macOS. Gurman added that Apple's working on bug fixes, battery life upgrades, and performance improvements, which will be officially unveiled at the next WWDC on June 8th. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.